Hi, in this video we are going to see how hackers do hack their neighbor Wi-Fi's and using this Wi-Fi adapters. This type of Wi-Fi adapters, they inbuilt have this monitor mode. Before going into this video is just for education purpose only. First you connect this Wi-Fi adapter to your laptop or PCs. After inserting this adapter, you just want to enter IW config to just confirm it's already in the monitor mode or in the normal mode. For mine, it's already in the monitor mode. Just I will kill that and just I will do again this. And you can see here, this is already in the monitor mode. Just I killed and just I started this monitor mode and just enter this command. This command is used to show that surrounding Wi-Fi's important informations. This is my Wi-Fi. You can see here as Kishore, and this is my BSS ID. And using this only, we are going to hack this Kishore's. And for this device, Kishore device, we are just going to see that password. This -W is like you are going to save this data in a particular folder which I created as hack1, and this -C is the channel file. You can see there in the Kishore position CH channel 5 you want to mention here, and hyphen BSS ID also you want to mention here. Command we are just using as deauthentication. Deauth 0 is like unlimited scanning request. Which one are the request coming that it will scan for unlimited time. Hyphen A is like this BSS ID you want to just enter. And WLAN is the Wi-Fi adapter's name. Here you can see just I'm trying to connect and disconnect this network. And in the screen you can see here this handshake has been captured for this which I was mentioned this deauthentication method. That command used to store the data which all are the handshakes just requesters coming. Now you can see here hack1-01.cap. This is the file which the captured file for this network. The handshake file, this is the handshake file. Now we are going to open this Wireshark. Wireshark is a network analysis tool. By using this, we can just find the password. For that, you want to search for EAPOL. See, this is our file. From here, we're just clicking IEEE. Go to next message. See, now you can see this MIC, this data. This is the data, the secret password is hiding here. We are just going to extract it or decode it. Before decoding this password, we want to just stop our this monitoring mode. See, now you can see this is the file which we got, and you can see here also -W and this path address and rocku.txt. This is the file, the millions of password which are inside this thing. And using this aircrack-ng, this is a password cracking tool. We are just decoding the password using this tool. If the password matches, it will show the password. See, we got this password key found 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is my Wi-Fi password. Temporarily I was set up this password, and that's it. This video.